In StackAI, apps and integrations allow you to connect your AI workflows with the tools and services your organization already uses. These integrations go beyond simple data connections. They let you perform actions, trigger workflows, and build complex automation that bridges AI capabilities with your existing business processes. So whether you're updating spreadsheets, sending emails, or managing support tickets, these integrations help you create end-to-end solutions that work seamlessly with your existing tech stack. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to use apps and integrations in StackAI. First, we'll understand how integrations work. Then, we'll look at popular apps like Google Sheets and Excel. Next, we'll explore email integrations with Outlook. And finally, we'll see triggers and advanced workflow automation. In the StackAI Workflow Builder sidebar, you'll find numerous integrations available for connecting to external services. These integrations work by making API calls to services and either retrieving information or performing actions based on your workflow's needs. Each integration can be combined with user inputs and AI model outputs to create sophisticated automated processes. The key to building effective integrations is understanding that they enable complex workflow operations that extend far beyond what AI models can do alone. Let's start with one of the most popular integrations, Google Sheets. When you drag the Google Sheets integration into your workflow, you first need to select the specific action you want to perform. There are multiple options available for each service. After selecting your action, you'll need to establish a connection with Google Drive to authenticate and access your spreadsheets. Once connected, you can reference data from other parts of your workflow. For example, taking the output from a language model and using it as input for your Google Sheets operation. You'll need to specify which spreadsheet and sheet name you want to work with. The interface will show you the spreadsheets available in your Google Workspace, making it easy to select the right destination. This same pattern works for the Excel integration through SharePoint, which can be even more powerful for enterprise environments that rely heavily on Microsoft's ecosystem. Email integration is another highly popular use case, and we'll focus on Outlook for its enterprise appeal. When you add the Outlook integration, you'll see different actions and triggers available, from sending emails to receiving and processing them. For sending emails, you'll establish a connection with your Outlook account and configure the email parameters. You can set the subject line to use content from your AI model's output, and similarly, populate the email body with generated content. This creates powerful workflows where AI can compose personalized emails based on data processing or user interactions. You can also combine multiple data sources. Maybe the subject comes from one model output, while the body incorporates data from user inputs or other workflow nodes. Beyond simple actions, StackAI integrations support triggers that can initiate entire workflows automatically. For example, instead of having a user manually start a workflow, you can set up an email trigger that activates whenever your specified account receives a new message. When you use a trigger like email received, the incoming email's content flows through your workflow potentially to an AI model for processing and then to other actions. This creates fully automated workflows where external triggers can trigger complex AI-powered processes without any manual intervention. Popular trigger-based workflows include support ticket management with services like Zendesk, where incoming tickets can automatically be categorized, prioritized, or responded to using AI. These triggers remove the need for manual workflow initiation. Instead of relying on user inputs, your workflows can respond to real-world events as they happen. The combination of triggers, AI processing, and actions creates sophisticated automation that can handle complex business processes end to end. The apps and integrations in StackAI transform your AI workflows from isolated processes into powerful automation that connects with your entire business ecosystem. By combining triggers, AI processing, and actions across the tools you already use, you can build solutions that work seamlessly within your existing workflows. Thanks for watching this tutorial on apps and integrations in StackAI, and happy automating.